Since there's been no work for quite a while here in Vietnam due to the COVID restrictions, when I need to get money, I have to go to the bank and collect Western Union. So I'm going to attempt to take the camera in and see if they'll allow me to record that. Awesome. They said I could record in here. So now I just wait for my number to be called. He knows me and sees me when I come, and he always hands me the Western Union paper so I can fill it out while I wait. Now the reason I use Western Union is because if they put money into my Chase bank account, when I use an ATM here, Chase Bank will charge me $5, and the ATM will charge me a percentage fee also, and it could cost up to $8 just to use the ATM. And the maximum withdrawal rate is anywhere from 2 million to 8 million, depending on which ATM you go to, but average, it's about 3 million. So the best way to get money here is Western Union. Now a pro tip, if you're gonna send money here using Western Union, always send it in your home currency, at least if you're from America. When my family sends me money, they send me it in USD. And the reason they do that is because if they send it in Vietnamese dong, they will get a bad exchange rate from Western Union. And if they send it in USD, you'll get a better exchange rate from the bank when you get it here. We're at 37 now, and I'm 38. Oh, that's me. See if you'll let me record it. Can I put you on here? I'm gonna make a YouTube video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This guy's great. His English is really good too. Now I just sit here and wait for them to copy my passport and my visa, and then they'll run the number and I'll get my money and go. It's quite a simple process. Okay. See you next time.
So you back clip and you share with your friend and.
Yeah, I show my family.
Okay.
Yeah, so they can see what it's like here. So I've been here almost 3 years now. So now I'm starting to make some videos for them.
Okay.
So yeah, a lot of people are watching them now. So yeah, so I'm gonna start.
You have your own channel?
Yeah, people are starting to watch. So now I'm gonna start recording when I go around town and when I do things and make some cool videos. Yeah, people can see how friendly Vietnam is.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah, this is a great place to be.